You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, panoramic roof, tow hitch, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, four-wheel disc brakes, air suspension, privacy glass. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.